Is it too late to go back? What's up, guys? Well, when we last left you, Jason left me.
What do you do with your hands? What is this? All right, yeah, so yeah, I left him.
Jason left me. It was raining.
I was getting tired of
and we got nowhere. That's not true. We got most of it sorted out. We do have a little left to cut out because of where the A-arms are hitting on the frame. It's got a bulge, and so the A-arm isn't allowing, the frame isn't allowing the A-arm to sit, so we can't bolt it in.
Yes.
But other than that, we're pretty much there, guys. So we're gonna cut that out.
Yep.
Pull it forward.
Yep.
Line up the bolts.
Yep.
And then send it. Is it too late to go back?
It might be.
You like these?
We were trying to get the alignment pin. If you look down in here, there's that pin right there. It's kind of off-white, and there's a hole in our frame that matches. But our A-arm really was hitting right here, and you can actually kind of see where it was landing. So we're just gonna cut out just a little bit more here. We might even straighten it up and go all the way to here and make it look nice. And then we'll do the other side, and then we'll give it a shot again. Here we go. Ready, Ryan?
Yep.
All right, up and down and up and down and up and down.
Well, so what happened here is Jason.
I didn't do anything. What are you blaming me for?
No, somehow we missed up an alignment hole. It's not a big deal because this plate has it, and this plate's gonna be all welded in place.
Yeah.
And then we're gonna box it all in. So we're just gonna cut another hole so we can get it in there.
Yep.
And we gotta cut this some more.
Yep. It'll be fine. No big deal.
No big deal.
All right, let's do it.
You guys remember back in the 90s when you were a kid and you used to watch WW Hacksaw Jim Duggan? Yeah, brother!
I was just gonna say,
That's
it was
actually
Hacksaw Jim Duggan with his giant 2x4 that he carried around. That's you.
Yeah, I'm Hacksaw. Actually,
Are you related?
We're basically twins.
Oh, nice.
This is actually the brake that we're gonna use to stop the Coyote when it rolls out of the shop, garage.
Yeah.
But let's tell you what we're gonna do.
Yes. Let's tell him.
As you guys see, we got the kit in, but it's still not level on the back end. There's still a little bit of a gap on the rear of the kit, so it's kind of sitting flush here, but not here. So we're gonna try to accomplish getting that fixed.
We'll get a video of that. We'll show you.
Oh yeah!
Maybe put it up in the corner.
I drank an energy drink. I'm lit like a Christmas tree. Merry Christmas.
Well, let's pull this truck out.
Let's do it.
And let's work on the front. Ryan's ready.
I got the brake.
Oh man, it's so loud.
What's up, Terror Nation? Look at me on my steed as I roam through the valleys.
Ryan.
On my steed.
Ryan.
Just like we planned. Just like we planned, right, Jason?
I pretty much thought it would go that way.
Oh, that was quality. Oh. For those of you that may have missed it, that was Jason worried, trying to stop it, going, Ryan, and me just standing there laughing.
That was terrible.
Again, as I've said recently, we're not professionals. So if we, in theory then, tack weld the crush tube in place to the same height, then it should pull it up. Right? If we pull it out, flop it up, pull the crush tube up to where it's the same height from so it's flush with the bottom.
Yeah.
So the crush tube is flush with the bottom plate. And spot weld it like in 3 places or 4 places. That's gonna hold the crush tube in place, which will allow then that piece to come up. In theory.
That could work.
Why don't you tell the viewers at home what we have here?
This is a beautiful, I feel like, we should do like the Price is Right. Ooh, this beautiful Everlast.
Ooh, is it a multi-purpose welder?
It does MIG, it does TIG, and it does stick welding.
Oh, what's that big brown thing on the back?
Ooh, that is our argon carbon dioxide mix bottle.
Oh my goodness.
Amazing. So
we're welding 220 with gas?
Yes.
This is kind of a step up for us.
We've upped our game. We've upped our game from Harbor Freight to Everlast.
Which is
for a lot more money.
A lot more money, but it does a lot more. So bear with us, guys. We literally just got it set up. We don't know much about it, so you'll be learning with us. Have fun. All right, guys, so what I'm gonna do now is I'm just gonna take this crush tube, because now we know it's flush with the bottom, and I'm just gonna spot weld it, tack weld it in place in a couple places so that it holds it flush so that we can make sure we're right. So let's do it.
All right, so this is kind of what we were looking for. You can see there's a little pad there in the middle. And man, it's sitting right on that pad. It looks like it's all the way back. It looks really good, right?
Yeah, so we got it where we want.
Yeah, it's good.
All right, so again, what we're trying to do is this crush tube goes all the way through, and we want it flush with the kit. We don't want it too far low. We want it flush on the bottom so that when we spot weld it on the top, tack weld it on the top, it'll allow the kit, the Crown Vic cross member, to sit flush on the kit.
Correct.
So if the crush tube is too low, it'll prevent the cross member from sitting flush on the Team321 kit.
Sure seems like that's our problem. So
that's
it definitely worked on the other side.
Yep. So let's get it done on this side.
Okay. You can see it's good. And you can see it all the way to the front, it's good, and both sides look the same, and we are really happy, right?
Dude, can't be happier. Now we just gotta get those pieces off so we can line up our trailing arm mount brackets.
Yeah, so there's brackets back here. So here's our trailing arm. You can see the tire in the background. Here's the trailing arm that comes back, and then typically you would have a bracket right there.
That bolts to this.
So our original bracket is right there. So we're gonna remove that, and then we're gonna end up fabricating a new one right here.
We got it with the kit.
Oh, so we have a kit. Okay, cool. I kind of forgot about that. So that's it, guys. It's a little update. It's going well. It's good. Yeah, hit it. There you go.
I'm moving. See it moving? Yep. There you go, Jay.
All right, there we go, Ryan.
Yeah, so these are the trailing arm brackets. The bushings are shot, so we're gonna probably have to get new bushings.
Uh-huh.
But these go in, and then these plates, which if you see here, there's 2 holes down here.
Yeah.
A hole up here. They all line up.
Mm-hmm.
And then this plate gets welded onto the frame. Boop, boop, and then we gusset it.
Uh-huh.
And it holds the trailing arm in place.
Uh-huh. And then we bolt that other bracket to that bracket?
Yep.
Nice, that's easy.
What do you guys think? I think it's pretty darn freaking awesome.
It's gonna be pretty incredible. I love it.
So we got it all pretty much mocked up. Next week we're gonna come back in, box everything in, weld all it in, finish it all up so that the front is pretty much done other than steering and brakes.
Yeah, it's not too bad.
No.
We'll probably be making some brake lines, I would assume, at some point in time.
Yeah.
But yeah, we gotta get the sway arm in. We gotta get the, what is the back part there called?
Trailing arm.
The trailing arm's gotta go in. So we got a few more things to do on the front end, but in general, it's in the right place.
Yeah, it's a lot closer than when we started.
Are you encouraged? I'm encouraged.
I'm happy to be where we're at. I'm definitely glad. I'm not glad at what we're gonna have to do next. But on that note, we'll see you next time. Jammer Nation!